Hi everyone, my name is Prashant Sharma and thank you for watching my channel which is Nick Tech Talkies. So today I'm gonna show you how to demote the server from domain controller. So the server which you can see right now, this is domain controller and it has Active Directory in it. And if I go here and I open this dsa.msc, which is to open Active Directory. So as this is virtual machine, so yeah, I mean it's gonna take a couple of minutes to open the Active Directory. So yeah, so as you can see, it has domain controller. I mean, it has the Active Directory installed. So now I'm gonna demote it from the domain controller. So I'm gonna uninstall the roles, ADDS roles, and then I will remove the Active Directory also. So let me show you how we can do that. So simply let me close it and let me go back to server manager, and from here I just need to go to the manage and remove roles and features. So once I'll do this, you can see option here, and I'm going to click on next, and then it will show the server name and the IP address of this machine. So I'm going to go next, and then it is showing the option which is ADDS remove features. I'm gonna click OK. So now it will not remove it because it has Active Directory installed in it. I mean, I've already configured that with the domain nictac-dc1. So first of all, I would need to remove this configuration, and after that only I can uninstall this role. So now, as you can see option here, which is demote this domain controller. So I'm gonna click here. So once you click here, so the wizard will open, and it will ask you for some information. So let's wait for a while, and yes, so it is showing current user. So for the removal of this domain controller, so I'm gonna click here. So yeah, last domain you must perform it at a cleaner manually for removal. Okay. So yeah, so then I'm gonna click on next, and yeah, so it's showing that the domain controller currently holds the following role. So it has these all roles which are hosted in this server, which is PDC emulator, RAID operation master, domain naming operation master, infrastructure operation master, schema operation master, and domain name system, which is DNS, and then global catalog. So yeah, so I'm gonna proceed with the removal. I'm gonna click here, and then I'm gonna click on next. So then it will ask for the password. So this is the password which I put it when I was installing the Active Directory. So maybe in the next video I'll show you like how you have given this password. So yeah, so because I remember this password, so I'm just putting it right now. So yeah, I put in the password, then I'm gonna click on next. And yep, here you can see it showing remove Active Directory domain services from this computer without updating forest metadata. Yeah, so let me go here and just click on Demote. So it will take a couple of minutes to install it. So if you want to see it, you can go ahead, otherwise. So yeah, so it has removed it, and now it will get reboot because it has removed the Active Directory domain services. So yeah, so it will take few minutes to get reboot. So let me pause this video for a while, and then I will resume it again once the server will come back. So yeah, my server came back online. So let me log into this server. I hope you can see it. Yep. All right, all right. So I have removed the IDDS configuration. So now I'm gonna uninstall the role, the ADDS role, and the DNS one. So yeah, so it will take few while. So just a while. I mean, just opening server management. So here, as you can see, okay, so it will take a while to refresh all the stuff. Server manager, as you can see, just processing. Mhm. So guys, meanwhile, in other few videos, I'll show you, or I'll explain the theory also about the Active Directory, like what is a 4S and domain controller, domain, and what is function level, domain level. So all these things I'll make a theory and I'll share that with you. So this is just for the practical, that this is how you can just uninstall the Active Directory from the server. So okay, so now I'm gonna go here and okay, so because as is the whole, if this server has already been demoted from a domain controller, so now I'm getting this option to promote this server to a domain controller. So no, I don't need that. So I'm gonna go here in manage, and then I'm proceed with the removal role and features. So yeah, so here I'm gonna go on next, and again the server name and the IP address, and then I'm gonna click on next, and now I can see that these are the installed. So that's the reason I can see check over here. So I just need to uncheck this remove features. So I'm gonna select all the options which are there, and it may take a while. So yep, so let's wait for a while. So yeah, so this option is unchecked. Then I'm gonna uncheck the DNS server, and again I'll click on remove features, and then I'm going to next, and leave it as it is, and then again next, and then I will remove it. So you remember initially when I was trying to uninstall this, it was not proceeding further as there were already configuration of the directory. So then I demoted from the domain controller, and now I'm again trying to uninstall this role. So now you can see it's allowing me to do this. So it's gonna take a couple of minutes. Either if you want, I can pause this video for a while, and we'll come back like once it will get uninstalled. So yeah, so as you can see that the role has been uninstalled. So I'm gonna go here, and then I'll do some check. I'll go here and I can see that So now, yeah, so now it's not showing me anything with the nictac.local. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and reboot this server to make sure it refresh everything as I just uninstall it. So yeah, so I'm going to restart this. I will put the option maintenance. So let me okay, yeah, maintenance. Continue, and then it will take a while to get restart. So yeah, so this is how you can uninstall the Active Directory, or you can demote the server from domain controller. So yeah, so thank you for watching my channel, which is Needed Talkies, and I'll see you next video in which I'm gonna install the Active Directory on one fresh server. So thank you everyone.